Bitcoin slips to $26,000, Ether stays above $1,600. Hashkey Capital's $100 million digital asset fund to invest in altcoins. Exploits, hacks and scams stole almost $1 billion in 2023. Oprah and The Rock collect crypto donations for Maui wildfire victims. Bitwise withdraws Bitcoin and Ether market cap ETF application. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets plunged on Friday after the US Securities Exchange Commission delayed decision on 6 applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs, including from BlackRock and Fidelity. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 4% at 34,050 points. On the economic front, earlier in the week, ADP employment data indicated a significant drop from a projected 371,000 to 177,000. Meanwhile, investors will also be keeping a close eye on monthly US jobs reports, which is likely to shape the path for Federal Reserve policy over the near term, scheduled to be announced later in the day. Analysts predict the non-farm payroll data to drop slightly from the prior number of 187,000 to 170,000. However, if the non-farm payroll numbers come in as expected, it will be the third month in a row that gains have been below 200,000, a clear sign that the US economy is slowing. Earlier during the week, crypto markets were brimming with optimism that was fueled by Grayscale's court victory over SEC. Going forward, the court decision was lauded by observers, saying that the Grayscale victory potentially opens the door for a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. The broader crypto market mirrored the two leading assets move. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.05 trillion mark, falling 3.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 36.5% to $38 billion. Interestingly, as part of the monthly release strategy, Ripple, largest blockchain company, released an additional 1 billion XRP from escrow. It enables Ripple to keep XRP liquidity in the cryptocurrency market and encourage companies to use XRP for cross-border transactions. Because of an increase in supply, this lowers the price of XRP. Meanwhile, a New York court classified BTC ETH as commodities while dismissing a proposed class action lawsuit against leading decentralized crypto exchange Uniswap. The ruling to scrap the suit before it goes to trial stated the two defendants of the case were the issuers of scam tokens in question and not Uniswap. US stock futures were higher as investors awaited the release of new US jobs data. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 127 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures also rose 0.3%, while Nasdaq 100 futures climbed up 0.2%. Bitcoin was trading at $25,990, down by 4.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 3.6%, trading at $1,643. BNB was down by 4.3% to trade at $214. Solana Sol was down 4.3% and was trading at $19.8. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.7% to trade at $0.25. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $10, lower by 4%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 5.8% to trade at $0.54. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4% at $0.063, and Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.6%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.50, down by 3.5%. Talking about Polkadot, it was down by 5% to trade at $4.3.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Digital assets financial services firm Hashkey Capital, Hong Kong regulated fund, will invest a significant chunk of its assets in altcoins. Less than half of the fund's investments will be Bitcoin and Ether, the two largest cryptocurrencies, so it can diversify allocations to smaller cap assets, portfolio manager Jupiter Zing said. Altcoin is a broad term applied to cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, which accounts for around half the total market cap of all cryptocurrency. The fund, which opened for business Friday, has attracted high net worth individuals and investment firms serving rich Asian families as clients. Singapore-based Hashkey Capital unveiled the fund a month ago, for which it aims to raise $100 million to invest entirely in digital assets. Malicious actors targeting the crypto space have taken more than $45 million in digital assets from their victims in the month of August alone, and a total of $997 million year to date, according to a report shared by the blockchain security firm Certic. In the report, Certic highlighted the exit scams took around $26 million, flash loan attacks took $6.4 million, and exploits took $13.5 million from their victims in August 2023. The cybersecurity firm confirmed that the total losses amounted to over $45 million. While the losses in August are still high, the amount is significantly lower compared to the losses incurred in the previous month. In July 2023, around $486 million in total losses were recovered by Web3 data outlet DeFi, with the multi-chain exploit alone contributing around $231 million to the total amount lost. The crypto community joins in to support the Maui community as a relief fund championed by A-list celebrities Oprah Winfrey and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson accepts donations in cryptocurrencies. In early August 2023, wildfires broke out on the Hawaiian island of the Maui, causing massive property and personal losses as more than 2,500 acres were burned. The Rock and Oprah launched the People's Fund of Maui to provide direct financial support to those affected by the calamity. In the tweet, The Rock confirmed that 100% of the donations will go to the victims. The People's Fund of Maui accepts donations in the form of numerous fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. In addition to accepting fiat donations from around the world, the fund will also accept donations in Bitcoin, Ether, and Doge, among a plethora of alternatives. Disaster relief organization All Hands and Hearts has also been collecting cryptocurrency and fiat donations to assist local Maui residents in the wake of the fires. In an unexpected turn of events, Bitwise submitted a request to retract its application for its Bitcoin and Ether market cap weight strategy exchange-traded fund initially filed with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission on August 3rd. While market sentiment turned bullish following Grayscale's SEC victory, Bitwise appears to be reassessing its strategy. Meanwhile, the SEC has delayed its decision on Bitcoin ETF applications from WisdomTree, Invesco, Galaxy, Valkyrie, VanEck, BlackRock, Bitwise, and Fidelity. The next set of deadlines for the SEC in mid-October, but these may also be delayed to the SEC's third batch of deadlines in January or to the final possible decision dates in March, April, and May of next year. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, the leading decentralized exchange on BNB chain, is expanding to the Coinbase-incubated Ethereum Layer 2 network, Base. Its move to Base is part of the ongoing multi-chain expansion from the PancakeSwap team. After Base, the exchange will also go live on 4 other Ethereum rollups in polygons ZK EVM, ZK Syncera, Arbitrum, and Linea. Currently, 94.8% of PancakeSwap's total $1.37 billion in liquidity sits on the BNB chain as per DeFi Llama data. However, today, Cake was trading at $1.25, down near 4% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $264 million. Next on the list, we have USDC. Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain protocol is set to welcome USDC stablecoin following a strategic partnership with Circle, the blockchain startup behind the token issuance. Circle has announced the launch of USDC native to the Optimism ecosystem, serving as the official stablecoin format. This move aligns with Circle's scaling solution and Circle's inherent community benefiting from broad-based liquidity. The Circle USDC debut in Optimism has not caused significant stir in the relation to the price action of the OP native token, as OP is trading at $1.38, down near 7% in the last 24 hours. Not only OP, but this development did not impact USDC price either, as it was fluctuating. It was trading at $1 up 0.01% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $26 billion. Next on the list, we have PayPal USD. Crypto exchange Coinbase added support for newly launched PayPal stablecoin PYUSD. Coinbase announced that trading on PYUSD, a USD trading pairs, will begin on after 9 a.m. PT on 31st August 2023 if liquidity conditions are met. The asset will be launched in phases with support for PYUSD potentially restricted in some jurisdictions. Coinbase confirmed the listing with the experimental label, which applies to new assets or low trading volumes. PYUSD, launched in partnership with Paxos, has been listed on several exchanges, but adoption is slow. With a total supply of around 43 million tokens, it is designed to make payments easier and allow big brands to use digital money more. It remains to be seen if Binance will list PYUSD. Despite this development, PYUSD was trading at $1, down 1.76% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $44 million. Next on the list, we have Binance USD. Crypto exchange Binance said it will gradually end support for its BUSD stablecoin, removing it from spot and margin trading pairs. Binance has asked users to convert their Binance-pegged BUSD tokens by February next year. The exchange will delist BUSD as a loanable asset on September 6th and cease withdrawals of BUSD tokens via BNB Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, and Tron on September 7th. This decision follows Paxos' order to stop minting the coin in February. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao stated that BUSD would gradually wind down over time, but the decision to stop BUSD loans with a week's notice suggests that these timelines have been pushed forward. BUSD is trading at $0.99, down 0.06% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $2 billion. The stablecoin faced regulatory clashes after the NYDFS ordered Paxos to stop issuing it. Binance was sued by the CFTC for offering unregistered crypto derivatives products against federal law. The SEC submitted a sealed motion related to Binance, allowing it to file a sensitive or confidential information without revealing its contents publicly. Last on the list, we have WorldCoin. WorldCoin is a digital identification platform that claims to prove personhood or a person is not a bot or robot by scanning their eyes. Users are scanned using a device known as Orb and issued a global identity protocol known as World ID in exchange for WLD coins, which they can sell for fiat or hold. WLD is trading at $1.10, down near 8% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $141 million. WorldCoin is experiencing a decline due to global regulatory crackdowns. Despite its growth since its launch in July 2023, the project faces challenges due to government crackdowns on user data collection methods. As of August 31, 2023, WorldCoin had 2.3 million signups worldwide. Kenya's High Court has ordered WorldCoin to preserve citizens' data pending a petition from the Data Protection Commissioner's Office. European regulators, including Germany's Bavarian Data Protection Office and France's National Commission of Informatics and Liberty, are investigating the project. WorldCoin remains unavailable in the US due to strict regulations. Despite skepticism in the cryptocurrency industry, it has gained traction in some jurisdictions, with Argentinians registering to have their eyeballs scanned in exchange for WLD. Recently, in August, 9,500 Argentinians verified their World ID in a single day.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.